Good morning, students. Myself Menka Shukla. I am teaching today. Today I am teaching English Grammar, Chapter 3, Adjectives. It is for class 3. Now come to the point. Adjective of quality, of number, and of quantity. Read this conversation. Woman, do you have a child? Question mark. Man, yes, I do. I have a son. Woman, how old is he? Man, he is a young boy. How many children do you have? I have 2 daughters. Man, do they play any games or sports? Question mark. Woman, they used to. Now they don't have much time. Man, what do they do at the weekend? Question mark. Woman, if they have enough time at the weekend, they visit their grandparents. This is the conversation that just I have read. Here, young, too, much, enough. These are the adjective of quality, number and quantity. Denotes quality, number and quantity. Look at the highlighted words in the conversation. Which words answer this question? Just I have read this conversation. This is the highlighted words: young, too, much, and enough. You have to answer that what kind of, how many, and how much. Now come what that tell more about the quality, number, and quantity of nouns are called adjective. Word that tell more about quality, number, and quantity. Quality means what? It means that it defines about the noun's quality. Number and quantity of nouns are called adjectives. Let us learn about adjective of quality, adjective of number, and adjective of quantity. Here, first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describe what kind of a person, place, or thing we are talking about. Here, what kind? This is the main word. Adjective of quality describe what kind of a person. It means that adjective of quality tell about a person, about place or thing of its kind. How, what kind of a person, which kind of place, which kind of things. For example, the man is wearing a loose shirt. What kind of shirt he wear? Loose. Here loose is a quality. Babu served a plate of delicious biryani. What kind of biryani? Delicious. There are intelligent students in our class. What kind of students? Intelligent. The painting on the wall is beautiful. What kind of painting? Beautiful. This bicycle is new. What kind of bicycle? New. The adjective highlighted in this sentence answer the question what kind of asked after the noun. Here, the highlighted words loose, delicious, intelligent, beautiful, and new tell about the noun of quality. So come question number A. Underline the adjective of quality in this sentence about a sub-inspector. Here, you have to underline the quality. First sentence is Sub-Inspector Yadav is a strong man. Here, it tell about a Sub-Inspector Yadav, how he is. He is strong man. Here, the quality of inspector is that he is strong. Here, his strong is quality. He is a bold officer. What kind of officer? Bold. Here, adjective of quality is bold. So like this, you have to make these all 6 sentences you have to underline the adjective of quality. Here 1 to 10 sentences is there. Here also 7, 8, 9, 10 and 10 sentences are there. In these sentences you have to underline adjective of quality. Now come question number B. Rearrange the jumbled letters in bracket and fill in the blanks spaces with suitable adjective of quality. You have to rearrange first the given words in bracket. First you have to rearrange, make them right, and then you have to fill here. First one I have done for you. Usa is an dash INIELITGNEIT bracket girl. Here this word is not written in good. You have to arrange this. I have arranged for you. First one, intelligent. INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Usa is an intelligent girl. Second one is also many dash give is in bracket. Cities have Deborah in bracket roads. I have arranged these two words for you. First one is give means big, B-I-G, big. Many big cities have. Here I have arranged broad, B-R-O-A-D, broad roads. Now the full sentence is many big cities have broad roads. These two I have done for you. So you have to done these 10 sentences in book. First you have to arrange these letters which is given in bracket. Then you have to fill in the blank space. Now come adjective of number. Now come adjective of number. Adjectives which answer the question how many are called adjective of numbers. They tell about the number of the noun. Full stop. They are used only with countable noun. Here how many, noun and countable. This you have to understand very well that adjective define that how many about noun and countable. It means that adjective which answer the question how many are called adjective of number. Adjective of number define about that how many nouns are there, how many person, place or thing, and it also define about countable noun. Listen very carefully. Countable noun. Countable noun, you know very well that noun which we count, that is called countable noun. Like fan, pen, pencil, desk, chair, books, etc. These that all tell about the adjective of numbers. Adjective of number define about a person, place or thing about its number. Okay. Now come in next page. For example, I will explain you. There are 5,000 books in our school library. How many books? 5,000. Here 5 is a digit, a number. It define about books, that how many books are there in library. There are 5,000. Here 5 is adjective of number. Please give me 2 scoops of ice cream. How many scoops? Question mark. 2. Here 2 is also defined about adjective of numbers. Here are some more examples of adjective of numbers like 1, half, all, more, 2, 1/3, no, any, first, some, several, few, too many, certain, like this. It's all given examples of adjective of numbers. So please read carefully and understand the lesson very well. Now come to question number C. Circle the adjective of number. You have to circle the adjective of number in these sentences and also underline the nouns. There are 2 things you have to do. First you have to circle the number and then you have to underline the nouns. I have done for you. First one is Anita live on the 2nd floor. Anita is a noun, so you have to underline the noun. And second is the adjective of number, so that you have to circle. Second one is I have read many books written by Annette Blyton. Many is define about adjective of number, so that you have to circle here. And Anil Blyton is Anil Blyton is noun. You have to underline it. These 5 sentences are there. You have to make this. I have done for you already. I have done for you 2-1, and all others you have to do. Now come adjective of quantity. Adjectives of quantity give us information about the approximate amount of nouns in bracket place, person, place or thing. They do not give us the exact number, which is why we say approximate amount. Approximate is in inverted comma. They answer the question how much asked after the noun. I am going to explain you. Adjective of quantity give us information about approximate amount. Approximate means it not give exact amount, exact information about a person, place or thing. It already tells about that. They do not give us exact number. So they answer the question how much after the noun. You will understand that adjective of quantity give us information about approximate, not exact number of person, place or thing. For example, all, enough, least, whole, half, more, much, sufficient, some, most, any, little, less and a little. These are the example of adjective of quantity. Now come to question number D. Underline the adjective of quantity in this sentence. You have to underline the adjective of quantity. First one is there is enough milk in the refrigerator. Here I have done for you first and second sentences that you have to underline the adjective of quantity. Enough is an adjective of quantity, so I underline it. Second one is, do you want to take the whole cake or half the cake? In this sentence, there is 2 adjective of quantity. First one is whole and second one is half. These 2 words is defined about adjective of quantity. So next, rather than all the sentences, you have to do like this. You have to underline the adjective of quantity in all these sentences. So please make it in books with pencil. Now come, some in the bracket what is written, I just define you. Some adjectives can be used both as adjective of number and adjective of quantity. These are the examples. It defines both number and quantity. Some is an adjective of number. Some sugar, some is an adjective of quantity. Because boys is a countable noun, so we use here, and sugar is uncountable noun. In both we have to use some. If the adjective is followed by countable noun, it is adjective of number. Or if the adjective is followed by uncountable noun, it is an adjective of quantity. This is the difference. Adjective of number define countable noun and adjective of quantity define uncountable noun. It tell about uncountable. Now come to question number E. Colors the adjective of quality red, adjective of number yellow and adjective of quantity in green. It means that which word is quality you have to color with red, which sentence is adjective of number you have to color with yellow, and adjective of quantity with green. First one, the innocent child is like an angel. All children are like that. Innocent is a quality of child. All children are like that. Several shopkeepers came forward to feed the poor people. Several is adjective of quantity. These are the sentences. Here 10 sentences are there and you have to do same thing here also. Third one is, you need only a little detergent to wash the clothes. Fourth one is, the manager is a busy person. He has no time for jokes. Like this you have to color the sentences. Now come to question number F. Identify if the underlined adjectives have been used as adjective of quantity or adjective of number. You have to identify if the underlying adjectives have been used as adjective of quantity or adjective of number. First one is, some flying dishes are in sports room. In first sentence, some is underlined. You have to identify this, that some is what? It is an adjective of number or adjective of quantity. I will just explain you about this, then you have to do with your own. Second one is, have you eaten any pasta? Any is underlined here. You have to identify rather than that is adjective of number or adjective of quantity. Like this, you have to do these 5 sentences. All this lesson is I explain with you summary. Again, I explain with you summary. In this chapter, we will have learned that adjective of quality, adjective of number, and adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality describe what kind of a person, place, or thing we talk about. They answer the question what kind of asked after the noun. Here, describe about a person of its kind. Here, kind is very important word. Kinds. In adjective of number, answer the question how many asked after the noun. Here, adjective of number define about how many. And adjective of quantity give us information about approximate amount of the noun that modify describe. They answer the question how much asked after the noun. It means that adjective of quantity give us information about approximate, not exact number of noun. So these summary is defined about quality, number, and quantity. So children, please read this lesson very nicely, and I have done for you all these exercises for you 1 or 2, and rest of that you have to do yourself. So please complete it and do it yourself and learn all the definition of adjectives of quality, number, and quantity. So thank you children.